आप गलत कंपैरिजंस जो है ना वो समझ नहीं आते।
तो सुने, शाहरुख आपका पास्ट, ये आपका प्रेजेंट, फवाद खान आपका फ्यूचर, वो भी फिल्में आ रही
वो
हैं
भी
दो।
प्रेजेंट है, ऐसा
नहीं, दो फिल्में तो आ रही हैं ना
of
उनके
course,
साथ, तो ये
of
बड़े
course.
हॉट टीन मर्द हैं आपकी
I
जिंदगी
too
में।
have to say that my past, present, and future is hot.
Promising.
Promising.
Yeah.
Promising.
Very
So for both of us to come together, it was amazing. And
Hmm.
honestly, I said this over there also, but I really mean this, Amna. Like with Fahad, because I'm not very social, he's not social at all. तो हम लोग वैसे नहीं मिले थे, you know. We had no interaction actually. So to work with him, to be around him, to have acted with him, danced with him, I actually really, really respect him as an actor and as a human being, which is very important for me.
So what qualities of Fahad as a human being do you admire?
Well, I think he's one of those, I don't know.
Elaborate.
Do you elaborate one of those?
He's super focused on his job. But he doesn't do it in a way कि oh मैं आ रहा हूँ and I'm in this zone of being a, you know, I'm doing some method or no. His method is there. You don't have to see it. You don't have to experience it by way of him sitting there and rehearsing with you and all of that. He'll just come there and you'll see the method. You'll see what he's prepared. And that's very, very cool to see because I myself, I'm a spontaneous actor. I like that. I enjoyed that with him as an actor. As a human being as well, you know, he's, I always say this, Amna, जो लोग अपने क्रू का ख्याल रखते हैं ना, अपनी टीम का, पता नहीं मुझे वो लोग बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
Thank you.
Because मेरी जैसी टीम है वैसी he used to treat everybody in his team like family, like I do.
Because for a change we have a team, Myra.
What do you mean?
It's like the people working with, you know, everybody. So we have exclusive people. They've been with us for quite some time now.
Yes, but not everybody. You know, there's a very big difference, Fahad. Like, you know, we sit and eat with everybody. That's what I love. I love that.
But good people retain good teams. Right?
Absolutely,
So
100%. You're so right.
Yeah.
ये आ गए इनकी
It's
team.
vice versa. You see, I
आ
think
गए.
आगे the teams
They
are
आ गए.
managers ignoring us.
Managers.
Good people retain good.
Yeah.
So that's what I would say.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that's what I enjoy.
So when we talk about television, you're very much behind the scenes as a producer
Yes,
at Big
behind
Bang.
very much.
आपने ड्रामा किया हमारा इस साल, and do you would either of you think of coming back to the small screen?
We were thinking actually.
You were. अभी ये मतलब.
We discuss a lot of things, you know, but somehow they don't cultivate into, you know, anything real.
Okay.
But yeah, I think अच्छा है आपको. You should explore.
Yeah.
You should see because the world was in a position कि आपको खुद नहीं पता. I cannot say that we can plan things and उसके accordingly सब कुछ हो जाए. But yeah, I'm open to a lot of things. So was she, and she did this play, which did wonderfully well. Everybody received it in a lovely manner. तो मुझे लगता है कि कोई बाउंड्रीज तो नहीं होनी चाहिए ना. जिस तरह का हो गया है दुनिया भर में मीडिया, एज वी कॉल इट, डिजिटल कह ले, सिनेमा कह ले, ड्रामा, सो आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई बाउंड्रीज होनी चाहिए. Whatever you feel like doing anything, you should just go.
But I really admire this about both of you, that you're not in the public eye as frequently as most people are, and I think that's what makes you more gives you more enigma. You know, the mystique of
That's
the big
because
star.
we're very lazy people. At
Very.
least
This is very true.
we want to be like that. But
No, you
we
want to
can't.
do like the tuck tuck tuck.
No, not that. At least work a lot, you know. But it seems.
But you know, you're so right.
Yeah.
पेट भर के हम दोनों लेजी हैं.
शदीद. हम एक स्टिल शूट करना चाह रहे हैं 1.5 साल से. वो स्टिल शूट है, मैं अकेला कर लेता हूँ. हम कभी उठते ही नहीं.
जबकि आपके पास 2 साल थे पैंडेमिक के.
हम कभी उठते नहीं. ये अपने आप बोल रहे हैं.
मतलब मैं अपने आप को हम कह रहा हूँ.
अच्छा हो. But it's so true. Like actually, I'm lazy. So when I read things about how like Myra Khan is doing all this
Yeah.
work,
It's like Myra
Where?
Khan is
and
doing so much.
she has this glam, the pata nahi whatever. I'm like, wow.
And she's snoring in the back.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm lazy. I wish I wasn't, to be honest.
You two are lovely people. आपको इंजरी हुई stunts करते हुए आपने?
जी, I'm still
You had a
injured.
stunt man? Did you do your own stunts?
No, there is no stuntman.
Are
I
you
am the
insured?
stuntman. No, hell no. My wife knows कि कुछ है ऐसा, उसने कराई हुई है मेरी, मुझे बताती नहीं है अभी.
इंश्योरेंस आपकी हुई हुई है?
Kind of, yeah.
Right.
So मैं डरा हुआ हूँ उससे, you never know, कुछ भी हो सकता
What is this insurance?
है. Like if I die or something.
No, not
Allah na
that.
kare.
So
No,
what else
like
it could be?
Hollywood stars have their body
I'm
parts
not
insured.
J-Lo
Like
or
J-Lo
something
has
like-
her
come
body
on.
parts
Ooh.
insured.
What body part would I get?
Taylor
insured?
Swift has her legs insured. So
Nice.
I mean,
Really?
yeah. So आपकी कोई body parts insured
मेरा
है?
कोई ऐसा है नहीं मामला.
मगर इंजरी हुई आपकी?
जी वो मुझे हुई और अभी भी है, and thanks to Nabil.
क्या हुआ तो बताए ना.
Yeah, go on.
यार my heel got ruptured the
Ooh.
first day. In fact, a day before the shoot. तो हमारे यहाँ जैसे वो fight instructors, खैर I respect them, I love them, they have their own way of working, but that is not the way to work. तो उन्होंने पहले दिन ही मेरी एड़ी को जो है वो फाड़ दिया.
हुई.
And then playing a cop, you know, आपको you have to salute and there's action involved. So the entire film that I did, वो मैंने ऐसे ही किया और वो आज तक I carry that injury. तो वो मुझे एक I have to go through an operation. The doctors actually have
For your
told me to,
heel.
but I'm just trying to, you know, shy away from it.
Right.
So yeah, thank you.
Please करा लें and your stunts with the animals.
Swear, I mean, I'm not much of a, well, I like animals, but
दूर से.
I'm not like, you
So
know,
toughest animal कौन सा था to handle?
the hamster, no?
Hamster, yeah.
You're kidding me. इतना सा hamster?
See, because then they're
Because
not
we
actors.
had to, first, yeah, they're not actors, but also we had to shoot a whole song.
Yes.
With the hamsters?
With the-
Yes.
Just one.
I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah. And guess who was scared of the hamster?
You?
You think?
That would be me.
You was what?
Yes.
Of course. I'm okay with shareware, but hamsters, you know, they.
एक तो मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता. I have another hero who's
Scared of lizards,
घोड़ास.
ghodas.
घोड़ा तो खैर.
Ghodas are chalo at least.
At
But
least substantially big तो हैं.
I'm scared of cute things. No, she's beautiful.
Right. आपको cute नहीं कहा, beautiful का है.
Yeah,
You're not scary.
yeah, I'm not
Anyway,
scared
guys,
at all.
huge expectations from this film.
I know.
And
Yeah,
a lot rides on both these films actually. London में
Actually,
जहाँ भी
yes,
आ रही है
yes,
seat
yes.
पे.
I hope that does
And
well
I
too.
hope that will do well,
Inshallah.
inshallah. And I hope Qaeda Azam does well, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Because yeah, these are two filmmakers very correctly put Nabil, by Fahad, that these are the two filmmakers. I'm not saying that the others aren't, but you know, it's practice, right?
Yeah.
So it's a consistent filmmaking which gets you somewhere. And the fact that they keep on churning out films year after year after year, they've got their
Absolutely. And they're very sincere to the cause,
Oh.
to the filmmaking
oh yes,
procedure, both of them.
oh yes,
So
Very
yeah,
important.
very, very important.
very important, very very important.
So good luck to both of you. I hope कि ये hit जोड़ी हो.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
इसको हम बार-बार देखें फिर.
Inshallah.
Inshallah,
और inshallah. And
we have to do something dramatic and
Yeah.
romantic.
Have you not done that in the film?
Let's not go there.
No, we want to go there. Let's hear what.
See, this is a very cute and a very lovable kind of a relationship that we have in the film.
Okay.
But what she meant was कि intense love stories जिस तरह की होती है ना,
Right.
because
But
I
I
think
Yeah.
मैंने सिनेमा उस तरह का नहीं किया, माहिरा ने किया कभी
Mm.
सीरियस बहुत ज्यादा. I've been doing more comedies and stuff like that. हालांकि मैं जब टीवी करता था, I was more serious actor.
बिल्कुल, you were
So I haven't done that kind of film. एक
Mm.
मैंने की थी मायवीर, किसी ने देखी नहीं.
नहीं हमने देखी
You're
थी.
very good.
मैंने खुद देखी थी. So yeah, so I think yet to get a character like that, and why not अगर हम दोनों इस तरह की film.
Absolutely. So anything you want to say on a parting note to everybody watching?
Well, I personally think that the USP of this film is that
Us.
us and that the story is just, in my opinion and even his,
Yeah.
क्या story है इसमें, और इसमें tragedy है, drama है, romance है, गाना है,
Action है.
action ऐसा वैसा action है. So yeah, get your tickets. We need this, and inshallah, one thing is for sure, you will not be disappointed.
Yeah.
It's a power-packed film. So
All you have to
inshallah.
do is कि अपने घर से निकल के ticket लें और give it a chance, you know. at
Yeah,
least. And
absolutely.
both these films.
Both the films.
Because
both the films.
the basic thing is right now to get people out of their houses.
Right.
Otherwise, ये बात की है कि फिल्म अच्छी या बुरी.
Hmm.
If you won't give it a chance, फिर तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं।
मगर पता है फिल्म अच्छी होती है तो
तो
लोग
हो जाता है, yeah.
निकल के
हो
बाहर
जाता- आ
आते हैं।
जाते हैं
तो
आ
इसलिए
जाते हैं
एक
I
बार आ
saw
जाए,
that in the theaters last weekend.
yeah
ऐसे ही।
absolutely
Yeah.
absolutely should we go there